Hey, you the visitor. Yeah, you go right on along. Hey, you the visitor.
A visitor? For me?
Yeah, you go on along.
There's a pig on our truck! I can't take it seriously. There's a. Okay, fine. Okay. Holy crap! There's a pig on our truck!
We have to do it.
Ow, he hit my effort.
Hey, I don't even have to get out. I can just. Wait, did it stop?
There is a pig on our truck!
They're going on a ride about hotspots. They're going on strike. They will not act for me until I give them what they need.
Can you repeat it?
We need hotspots! We need hotspots! We need hotspots!
Why do I hire you guys?
We need hotspots!
Didn't hire
We need hotspots!
You didn't hire us to be exact.
We need hotspots! We need hotspots! We need hotspots! Oh, you can't sing, sorry.
We need hotspots!
We need hotspots! We need hotspots! We need hotspots!
See these little people on the street? We need hotspots too!
Scene 5, take 1.
Dude, where's Gerald? He said he was gonna be here.
Scene 11, take 1.
But remember, gentlemen, we have to get there first.
You guys have to see. We need to start back. Behind the scenes.
Lunch edition.
Lunch edition.
Brought to you by Carl's Jr.
Yep, brought to you by Kyle's Jr., everybody.
Okay.